So just by layering context on your chart, you can start to get an idea of where price is likely to move. Understanding that you have three choices: up, down, and sideways. If you don't get, you can see the opportunity to the downside, because we know what happens if price was to fail. But if price starts to fail those and you get into this gap, it makes a breakdown more likely. What you need to be aware of as you are in these bullish trends, and we talk about this all the time, is as you have momentum moves higher, you fan out the areas or levels that price will want to come back and check. Now, is it completely normal for price to come back and check the 200 MA? Absolutely it is. But it's way down at 3,000, and that feels crazy. So what you're more likely to see is an element of where time and price come together, and they will often meet in those areas of where past price has been. So if we look at the daily Bitcoin chart, these levels that we've dropped on weeks and months ago, they're still relevant. And the new ones are relevant. And is all we're trying to do is give ourselves the ability not just to track price, but to trap it within a range. And that range is always fractal, right? But when we throw our volume profile on, it helps us understand where price has been, or the trading has been, and not been. So do you notice the difference between this chart and the Ethereum chart? So you notice on the Bitcoin chart that you still have that high density of blue, which is a concentration of volume. So if price now wants to pull back, where did it hit, by the way? Upper value range. Because you have to remember something. Is this not all price exploration at this point? It is. So you have to appreciate that you're in kind of a price exploration zone. To me, it doesn't matter, because all I want is the ability to track it on the chart. So if this candle pulls back, where do you think it's looking for? Some of these other levels that it's used in the past as support and resistance. So on this 4-hour chart, knowing that you have three opportunities for price: up, down, and sideways, we're trying to give you the probability, or more probability, increased probability of making a safe, profitable trade. And identifying the risk on the chart is all part of that.